If you want to know how to fix TikTok notifications not showing problem, you've come to the right place. So firstly, let's open our TikTok account, and as you can see, I have all the notifications and I also receive them while I'm even not using TikTok. So how can we fix this problem? Firstly, all we need to do is just to simply open the App Store or Google Play, and from this page here, go to TikTok, search for it, and make sure that you have the latest version. So it means if you don't have, sometimes you can receive problems that you cannot receive notifications from TikTok. So if you have the upgrade option, make sure that you can easily update this app. So after that, the next step we need to do is just to simply go to settings. As for the iPhone, it looks like this. And here in the top of the screen, just simply search for notifications. It's really important. It will make it easier to find. So let's click on notifications. And from this page, we need to find the app, which is called TikTok, basically, yes. So let's try to find it right up here. And if we'll click, we can find all the notification settings as from the device. So we can turn on the allow notifications option. And after that, we can easily manage all this stuff. So we can manage alerts, so we can turn off sounds, badges, we can turn on for the lock screen, notification center, banners, and so on. So there are a lot of options. Make sure that you set up them as for you. The next step we need to do is just to simply go to TikTok and then just open our profile. So let's click on profile icon in the right bottom corner. And after that, just simply click on more in the right top corner right up here. Click on settings and privacy. And from this page here, go to content and display and then just click on notifications. So as you can see, we have a lot of stuff here where we can manage. We have the interactions area where we can turn on the notifications about likes, comments, new followers, mentions and tags, and so on. So we can easily turn them on or turn them off. So there are a lot of features. And also we can turn on notifications about direct messages preview, and so on. There are a lot of options we can easily manage. And if you click on in-app notifications in the top of the screen, we can also manage a lot of different stuff. And basically that's all for this problem. Hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.